Welcome back, everybody. Welcome back to Queen Brittney TV. I am Queen B, and y'all already know this is Princess B. If you are new to my channel, okay, and if you my scalp, excuse me. If y'all aren't new to my channel, welcome back to the Royal Gang, Royal Squad, Royal Rebels, Royal Rebels. Okay, that's what I'm gonna call y'all, my Royal Rebels. Y'all, today marks Monday, meaning that it is Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. 4 days until the party, Princess B's first birthday. So today I am going to do an unboxing of Princess B's outfit. As you can tell by the title, I don't know if I'm going to put in the title, but as you can tell, I did mark down the theme. So this week I will be discussing the theme, and right now Princess B is once again being my report person. So this is her box. This is your costume, mama. This is your costume. Say, yay! Girl, she ain't thinking nothing about me. So, the theme is Alice in Wonderland, but Wicca remix, it is Princess B in Wonderland. So I ordered this outfit from a vendor titled, what are you doing? Can you stop? The vendor is called, not the vendor, the company is called Pink Bows and Hair Bows. So I ordered them, I found them on Snapchat, Instagram, and I'll show y'all. Ooh, ooh, y'all, wait, look, this is her outfit. I'm gonna see, hold on, let me show y'all so y'all can get a better look at it. It has a bow, this bow on here. Yes, the bow's on the side. Yes. So let's, you know, I'll take a picture of it outside. Okay, y'all, this is the dress. As y'all can see the details. Can y'all see? And then the little details on the skirt. Make sure y'all can see the whole thing. This is the back, and this is the tutu. I'm gonna try it on in a second. I just wanted y'all to see like the little details in it. Beautiful. And this is the princess. Woo! Princess B. Woo! Hold on, mama. Let me show y'all her outfit. Ooh, pretty girl. Ooh. Yeah, and look at the back. Yes, superstar. Yay, look. Breland, come here. Come here, mama. Come here. Right now, y'all, we are currently taking a break. Why is the lighting? We're taking a break on set because Princess B currently, you know, ripped up my set. So yeah. Go back over here. That's what we're doing right now. Oh, that was quick. I will put you on, but you ain't got your clothes. So we got camera glow. She on set. We got the camera crew on set. Oh, look at my mama. Look at my mama. Hey, mama. Oh, she needs some bottoms. So I gotta put her. I mean, I have some. I gotta put them on her for tomorrow. Okay, get a birthday girl. Get it girl. Go, mama. Go, mama. Get it. Get it. Get it. Get it. Go, mama. Yay. Go, Breland. Go, Breland. Woo. She's a bad mama jamma. Enough. Back it up, girl. Back it up, girl. Back it up, girl. Woo! You want to hold the camera.